Welcome to this story about healthcare in Windsor, Ontario. My name is Bob Jones, and I will be your host for this video. What happens when a medical emergency strikes Windsor, Ontario? How does the healthcare system respond? Today, we take you on an unexpected experience at the Windsor Regional Hospital, Met Campus, to discover the medical response and care they provide when seconds count. Please like and subscribe. It helps a great deal, and I really do appreciate it. One fateful evening, John, a senior living with his wife in Windsor, passed out and fell, hitting his head hard. It was a scary moment, but John's wife immediately called 911. Within 5 to 7 minutes, the EMS arrived. They worked swiftly to stabilize John's blood pressure, got him on a gurney, and rushed him to Met Hospital with lights and sirens blaring. The paramedics were quick, efficient, and truly lifesavers. They deserve every bit of credit they get and a lot more. But here's where the story takes an unexpected twist. John was rushed into the emergency room of Windsor's Metropolitan Hospital. The next 8 long hours, John lay on that uncomfortable gurney in the hospital hallway, with the EMS crew waiting by his side until a bed was available and hospital staff took over. The paramedics and ambulance were stuck with John in that hallway for 8 hours. It's a problem that needs to be addressed. Taking the paramedics from emergency calls to babysit the people they transport, sometimes for more than half a day, keep them from helping others with lives at risk. That said, once John was in the hands of the hospital staff, things started to happen. His wounds were addressed, and he was sent for a head and neck scan. The results were in. John had cracked a bone in his neck, and an emergency MRI was performed. Luckily, surgery wasn't needed. More doctors visited John with an array of questions, looking out for the reason his heart had slowed to the point of passing out. John was made comfortable, but hoped to go home soon. After several hours, John was admitted and placed in a room. For 2 days, John was given intravenous. Blood was taken a few times and his vitals checked regularly. The outcome was John's medication, which he had been on for years, was adjusted, and he was discharged as an outpatient for his neck fracture. John's experience was frustrating, with a lot of waiting, trainees and students, and a shortage of staff. But amidst it all, his medical needs were met. The doctors and nurses were patient, thorough, polite, and kind. The paramedics and healthcare professionals did more than their share during this challenging time in our healthcare system. So if you find yourself in need of care from our dedicated healthcare professionals, remember how important they are to all Canadians. Our system has flaws, but people working in it are some of the finest in Canada. That's our journey through Windsor Regional Hospital, Met Campus. If you meet a paramedic, nurse, doctor, or hospital staff, let them know how important they are. The next story could be yours. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Stay healthy. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.